In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a new project in Noodletools or connect to a project that a teacher has already created. Once you're on the Noodletools login screen, you're going to click the Google icon. You're going to select your student email. You're going to enter in your student password, and you will be brought to your account in Noodletools. So I just have one project kind of hanging out right now, and the first thing I'm going to show you is how to create a new project from scratch. You're going to click on the New Project button in the top right, and you are going to enter in your project title. Your teacher may give you something specific for this, or you can come up with something yourself. The project that I'm currently working on with students is about ancient Egypt, so that's what I'm going to call my new project. Now, most of you are going to be using the MLA citation style, which stands for Modern Language Association. Sometimes in science, you might use the APA style and your teacher will tell you what to use, but for the most part, it's a safe bet for you to select the MLA style. Now, citation level, it doesn't really matter. If you begin with the starter level, then you just have to find less information about your sources. For the majority of your research, a starter level will work out just fine. You're going to press submit and your new project will pop up right here. You're going to go ahead and click on it, and there's not much going on here. This is the place where you're going to add sources and add note cards and start to build your research project. We're going to show you how to do that in the following videos. For now, I'm going to show you how you can share this project with your teacher. So if you hover over your project, you'll notice that there is a tab that says sharing and that this little addition sign pops up when you hover over it. You're going to click on that little addition sign and you're going to find where it says share with the teacher's inbox. You're going to press that share button and you're going to start typing in the project inbox name that your teacher gives you. So for this project that we're working on in class, Mr. Groner has already created a project. So I start typing in Mr. Groner's name and the title of his project that he has given us. And I can see that it's already popped up. Then I can click on it and press done. So what this means is anything that I add to my ancient Egypt project, whether it be a source or a note card or any information at all, is going to be automatically shared with Mr. Groner so he can keep track of the work that I'm doing. And you can also share with other students in your class, which is pretty cool. Under student collaboration, you can add students that you want to also participate in your project. In the next video, step 3, I will show you how to add a source to your project.